conversion streaming conversion, right? I told you, right? It involves different multiple applications. Okay, it is like a integrated environment. It's connected from complete end to end, like T-Mobile systems involved, Amdocs systems also involved in this conversion project. Okay, from as part of from Amdocs side, we have the domains means ACE and AMIL. These two applications are Amdocs part. Okay. And remaining, that's what I mentioned specifically, Amil. Remaining, there are a couple of applications which are in the TMO side. But during the conversion process, during the migration, customer from Sprint to T-Mobile, all the applications has to be involved. Otherwise, conversion won't get success. Migration. Okay. There are like later we will get to know the process, how the conversion process will start. Okay. You will see what all the applications are getting involved, how the process will flow, each and every step where we need to monitor. This this is the test run. This is the Pacific time zone. We ran the test on 13th Wednesday, and these many bands pushed. Means 10th, almost 11,000 bands are pushed. Okay. And it means 11,000 are bands pushed to queue, means we sent 11,000 bands to convert. Okay. For conversion. And VOCC rate per 10K hour. This means what is VOCC is nothing but a gatekeeper. The bands are waiting for conversion. This gatekeeper will tell how many bands need to be converted per hour. VOCC can decide either 100 bands or 2,000 bands, 1,000 bands or 5,000 bands or 20,000 bands per hour. Okay. Whatever bands we are deciding to convert, that does not matter. You can push either 50K also here. But VOCC is the gatekeeper, which is the TMO applications. They will decide how many bands need to be go for conversion. Okay. They will set up that rate. We have the GUI, that one. In production also same thing, PLAB also. Okay. We sent 11K bands to convert, but VOCC decided we'll push only 10K bands per hour. Okay. It's their decision. They have control actually, VOCC. They will update, okay, we don't... VOCC is the one of the application. This is a TMO team. Okay. TMO side. But we have that application access. We will push for testing. We will do only production. Their team, TMO team, will do the activity. If they want to push 5K bands per hour only for conversion today, they will put 5K bands only per hour. For the PLAB test, we are pushing 10K bands per hour as a standard rate. In production also, it is going to standard is 10K bands per hour. Okay. Forget about stage. This you will get to understand later. Okay. This is the final word. Out of these many bands, 10,995, these many bands are converted end to end. Okay. Means these many bands are migrated in 1 hour. 1 hour only. This is the main summary. As apart from that, we need to analyze while running the test or post how many bands failed. You can see open issues I mentioned. While monitoring the test, we need to know, we will come to know how many bands are failed and which step. Conversion process means there are couple of steps are involved in between, right? Migration process. During the subscriber migrating from Sprint to T-Mobile, there are multiple steps are involved. In these steps, where if the band is failing, we need to identify where the band failed and we need to report all those issues. Okay. Same way, I mentioned clearly these many bands failed in this step, these many bands failed in this step. Out of these failures, if any bands failed in the ACE or AMIL process, ACE is one application, Amdocs conversion engine, AMIL also one of the application, okay, integration layer, iPaaS. These two, any bands failed in these applications, process. During this process, we need to report to our Amdocs development team.
Okay.
Okay, if any bans failed, see 142 bans failed for extra. This is AMIL. Extra process means yes, yes process. This is one of the step. Means Vinith is from Amdocs team. Yes, development. He needs to check. That's what I mentioned clearly.
Okay.
Okay, this is failed in the yes applications.